Senator, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Pimentel?
Since there is a motion, I think, Mr. President, and the motion is to dismiss the entire impeachment case. So this representation has no choice but to object to the motion. And if I can, just like the movement, if I can also now give my reasons, Mr. President.
The gentleman,
Before that, with the indulgence of the minority leader.
what is
and
the
Senator
pleasure of Senator Judge Cayetano?
Just to clarify the motion before we debate on it, because I heard Senator Bongo second, but he also stated that okay then i-remand. Because personally, I'm against the dismissal, but I would be willing to hear arguments on remanding. So I'm sorry, Senator Pimentel, I just want to know, is Senator Bongo actually proposing to amend the motion of Senator Judge Bato, and is Senator Judge Bato amendable to that? Sorry.
No, Mr. President, I was not confused at all because
No, I'm the one who's
Senator Go gave a seconding speech. So the motion stands. He is seconding the motion.
Pero yung
So-
laman, Mr. The reason I want to ask, because I will second, I will object with Senator Pimentel kung dismissal, but I will listen to the arguments kung remanding to the, no. So may I ask,
With the
with
permission
your
of the
permission.
Senator Judges to have the floor, may we hear from the principal movement? Senator Bato is recognized.
Mr. President, my motion stands. I am for dismissal of the impeachment case, and I don't know if I am open. I am open for discussion. I heard the statement of Senator Alan Cayetano, but still, I have already filed the motion,
Okay,
Mr.
so,
President.
Mr. President, so let me continue now. I made my objection, and if I be allowed, just like the movement who gave reasons, if the the objecting part judge can also give his reasons, Mr. President.
What is the pleasure of Senator Judge Villanueva?
Mr. President, this is to somehow give this representation's point of view with regard to the pending motion. And as I made mention a while ago, Mr. President, I am also objecting, Mr. President, respectfully. But hope springs eternal, Mr. President. Bigla kong narinig yung binanggit ni Senator Alan and Senator Bongo. And if I'll be able to explain later after the minority leader, perhaps this representation would be able to encourage and influence the original movement of the motion. So I yield the floor to our minority leader, Mr. President.